What's happening, dudes? Today we have an unwanted job, hard drive that actually other repair shop did the work on some time ago. Basically, I do not take jobs like this from other people because it usually is cat in a box, because you don't know what to expect when you open it. It could be a nightmare. I mean, it could you might not even be able to fix it. But customer didn't actually take a no for an answer, so I raised the price high, and he ended up agreeing. So we're doing this job. How you doing, YouTube? My name is Alex, and this is Codernov Electronics Repair. So what the sucker is actually does, when you connect it to a computer, there is a light, it lighten up green, and you can see the hardware spinning, but the computer does not recognize the device. I mean, nothing happens. Basically, I think there is something wrong with the connector, so we're gonna take it apart and have a look under microscope, see maybe we can do something. I mean, obviously we're gonna do something, but whether it's going to be quick and painless or something else, we are yet to see. So let's see. Oh, I gotta turn on the microscope, I guess. Let's wait for it. But yeah, I had a look just now through eyepieces, and basically we have to take all the stuff off before we can repair it. And it's good if we can actually reuse this connector, because I don't have the same connector. If we cannot reuse this connector, I'm gonna have to order this connector. Okay, so let me heat it up a little bit. I think like 250 should do it. Let me 260. Maximum airflow. And let's try to clean it up. You can see, right? The board is extremely hot. I'm burning my fingers. Could this be our problem? This one right here. before I go further, I'm just gonna solder this one back. See this wire over here. Let me solder it here. I need a smaller scissor for this. There you go. That should be good. And let me test it off camera and see if maybe it's working. Why do I test it off camera? Because I have all kinds of things like cameras and microphones plugged into my retrowire sync pad over there. But yeah, I want to use this camera, but I can't, you see? That's a problem. Anyway, let me show you like this. You see, the drive is shown right now, so it's fixed. Let me put you guys back in where you were. Like that is good. Drive is over there. You plugged it. Let me unplug it. Plugging it back in. Still good. Yeah, still good. No, it's dancing. It's turning on and off. Something else is wrong here. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe we should go in closer. Okay. I'm on focus and you are on focus. Let me retouch. Retouch the rest of them wires. This one over here. So let's test it again. Yeah, the drive showed up, but if we touch it, I mean, I'm moving the connector, nothing's happening, so that's a good sign. I disconnected it. Let me plug it back in. Yeah, it's good. So we fixed it. Let me look at it one more time over before I button it up. So we have data lines. I guess these are data lines. This look good, both of them solid. This we did not touch. I'll get this power related stuff. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch anything on this side. Let me look into the connector. Inside the connector, I mean. Check out what I did with my microscope. Can your microscope do the same? Let's take a look. I better stand up. I'm focused. Are you guys focused? I mean, it is used. But nothing appeared to be loose or broken. So it's good, still good, I think. Yeah, this connector is still good. Maybe this pin. You got some kind of crap inside there. I got this out. So I guess that's a soldier mask inside. So we're gonna clean it to our best abilities. Can you see? Yes, I better be looking at the monitor for this one. Nope. I got some sort of crap on this pin. There you go. Yeah, there is crap inside that connector, but that wasn't really the problem. The problem was the actual connection to the board. Well, let's clean this up. Use the toothbrush, and this thing is done. It's $50, guys. 5,000 rubles. I'm not sure what exactly it is, but I'm gonna look it up. But basically, for a quick job, and because this thing actually comes from a different master, from a different repair shop. I usually don't take these things like this. I mean, it's $50. Let me launch Chrome. You guys can see Outtro USD. So 5,000 rubles today is $54. $54.35. I'm happy. So let's reassemble and test it one more time. Now, what about the warranty? I'll give it a standard 60-day warranty. But if it decides to come back, I'm just gonna replace the connector with a new one. I don't have new connectors at this point, but I guess I'm gonna order some on AliExpress. I mean, these are all connectors. Why would anyone carry them? So let's stick it in there one more time. That side camera went offline, by the way. We can take it offline. And we can stick this in. Yeah, we got it. There you go, you see it. It's right here. Put you guys back in. Okay guys, so this is a wrap for this quick one, and I already got paid actually for jobs that come from other shops. I take money up front because you never know what kind of nightmare you're gonna see inside when you open things up, and whether it's even doable. But this one was a quick one, and the price is good. Plus I get to actually experiment with this new 21:9 format of video. Let me know down in the comments if you like it. Actually, I have a 21:9 monitor. Maybe you have a 29:9 ultra wide as well. So let me know if you like it, and also like and subscribe. Until the next time.